Ever wondered how those incredibly thin, flawless silicon wafers for your smartphone chips are made? The secret lies in the cutting-edge process of quartz roller milling. Traditional methods often left microscopic imperfections that could ruin an entire batch of semiconductors. But with quartz roller technology, manufacturers achieve unparalleled precision. Picture this: ultra-pure quartz rollers gently grinding silicon ingots with nanometer-level accuracy. It's like giving semiconductor production a pair of perfectly steady hands. This isn't just about making chips smaller. It's about making them more powerful, energy efficient, and reliable for everything from AI systems to medical devices. The quartz material itself is key non-reactive, incredibly hard, and resistant to thermal expansion. It maintains consistency even under intense manufacturing conditions. Factories using this technology report fewer defects, higher yields, and faster production cycles. That means better electronics reach consumers sooner and at lower costs. From 5G networks to autonomous vehicles, advanced semiconductors are shaping our future. Quartz roller mills are the unsung heroes making that future possible. So next time you use your phone or smartwatch, remember, there's a good chance its heart was crafted with the precision of quartz roller milling.